Hello, I'm Derek with Adobe Rock here in Erta, Utah. It seems that water is always a scarce commodity, so many people are swapping out their grass for a more water-wise xeriscape yard. Hold on a minute. That's better. Today we want to talk about how to mix different colors and sizes of rock to give your yard a unique and more natural look. As always, it's great to have help, and Porter, our mechanic, has agreed to help me today. Mixing rock colors and sizes can give your landscape a more unique and natural look.
But how do you mix the rocks together?
Well, we'll talk about that in a minute, Porter. Many people like to express themselves in their landscape, but even with the wide variety of colors that we have available here in our yard, it can be hard to look different from your neighbors. As you can see in these examples, many colors work well when mixed together, and each blend gives your landscape a unique look.
But Derek, that ain't gonna work.
Be patient, Porter. We'll talk about how to mix it later. We screen and size rocks here in our gravel pit, but in nature, it's rare to find a landscape that has rocks all in one size. So to give your landscape a more natural look, we suggest that you not only mix the colors, but also mix the size of the rocks you use. In these examples, you can see how landscapers have placed rocks of different sizes together to give a more natural look. Don't be afraid to also add large boulders into the mix. They can act as a focal point in your landscape. Okay, Porter, let's talk about actually mixing the rock. If you have the eye of a landscape artist, you may want to have all of the landscape rock brought to your site separately. Then you can place each rock right where you want it individually and mix the colors and sizes together as you go. But if you'd rather have your rock pre-mixed, we would be happy to do that here at Adobe Rock for a small mixing fee. You tell us exactly what colors, sizes, and ratios you'd like, and we will mix it and put it in your truck or deliver it to you ready to go. Thank you for watching and learning with us today. Check out our channel for other helpful videos and use the link below to have us send you a free gift. And until next time, let us know if we can help rock your world.